Clouds can cause turbulence in airplanes. Turbulence often occurs in and around clouds due to various atmospheric conditions. 1. Cumulonimbus clouds. These large, towering clouds associated with thunderstorms are known for severe turbulence due to strong updrafts and downdrafts. 2. Cumulus clouds. These clouds can cause moderate turbulence as they form in areas of rising warm air. 3. Clear air turbulence. While not directly caused by visible clouds, turbulence can occur near jet streams or at high altitudes where there are no visible clouds, often felt around cirrus clouds. Pilots and flight crews are trained to navigate these conditions and use weather radar to avoid the most turbulent areas. Thanks for watching.